Today is August 5th, 2018. Let's take a look at Tesla. So you can see on Tesla here, after post earning, it made a nice pop and came up. To some, they think this might be a short covering, but actually I'm looking at this, the OTF or other time frame is actually in the market, so it's more of a little bit of a longer term than just the short-term trader covering the short, because you can see that it's a little bit more of a trending day on this particular day. You see the distribution here, and a nice distribution here. So it's not like this running for cover here that you have a lot of, what we call a low volume no, okay, LVN. So, and then on Friday, it's a nice balanced day here. This is a nice balanced distribution. So I'm just watching this to see which way you're going to break, because eventually the price is going to break out of this balance. If you're going to break up out of this balance and get above this, basically continue to make a one-time framing up, then I'm essentially looking for this pivot high as the potential target here. Okay, for next resistance target. But if come down, then I essentially looking at it to maybe come into this value area here. Here's the point of control here, the VPOC from that post earning day here, and then we also have a high volume distribution here. So if it come into this value area, then these level might get tested, and then maybe you could see a bounce back up and move back above the value area. Then it will certainly signify that the long-term player is considering Tesla have a higher value, worth a higher value. Then eventually you will still be looking at this and ultimately looking for a new all-time high. So we'll see, because anything is possible. So right now, basically looking at it on a slightly bias toward the long side, because I think there's a lot of capitulation down here that spooked a lot of the people out, and you can see this candle here, and this is nice one-time framing up. So that's Tesla. My take on it is a little bit on the long side here, but again, going to be waiting to see, is it going to pull back. And if it pull back basically to this trend line here, right, we also have this trend line, and that might be a possible good swing long trade location to look for type of a long entry and play it back up to at least to this high, to break this to to a higher high.